We just want to thank you for arriving at the new home of Love the Hungry.
Love the Hungry is a local nonprofit organization that engages volunteers of all ages in producing a very nutrient-dense, nutrient-rich meal that we call the Nutri-Plenty meal. We start with this little sachet or packet of M+ micronutrients.
We have different stations out here, and some add the food, and then some people pack the food up.
They'll drop in a little spoonful of dehydrated vegetables. There's 6 vegetables in that blend. We need a source of protein, so we use a soy or a vegetable protein. And the last component is rice.
We have our Explore ambassadors, who are our student leaders in our Explore program at the middle school level. And today is sort of an accumulative project where they are here to do a service learning opportunity.
And today we have about 100 student volunteers from several middle schools that will be part of this hands-on experience, helping us to produce at least 10,000 of the Nutri-Plenty servings.
Just to volunteer and help out, but basically it's a big part to help out since we also give back and to make sure everyone's healthy.
We want to help our community, get everyone enough so they could actually live and survive.
These students are our ambassadors in the Explore program, so they are our student leaders. They have applied through an extensive process to be leaders in our buildings.
It's to explore what's in the world and what everyone else is like exploring and discovering, and to find new stuff in the world.
It helps us focus on our future plans and goals of what we want to become.
So it's a very hands-on experience. It's also a lot of fun, but I think when you wrap all that together, it creates something very meaningful for the students.
Yeah, it's good to see other people from other schools help out too.